This event today is WOW, Work Opportunities Wolverhampton, and it's an employability outreach event for people in the Birmingham Black Country region. The event is a new event. We've partnered with Just Finance. This is a range of different employers and businesses from across the region, and we've got a number of different practitioners from a range of different professions here. So I think today has been a success so far. We've had role models talking to the youngsters about their career and giving them advice and top tips as to where they should go and how they should develop themselves. And really, we want them to be inspired to carry on with their studies, to aim high and to also aspire to higher education.
The young people have seemed interested and engaged, and there's a lot of variety. There's a lot of things happening, and there's a nice buzz to the place, so I think it's gone really well. I really do think it's important, especially for people from black and minority ethnic communities. It's a chance to have conversations that you don't get a chance to have in wider society or in general life, because the conversations can sometimes be awkward or not be received so well, whereas here it was a safe space to be able to address employment issues, but specifically for people from ethnic minorities, so it's really important. And I think most young people want to be successful, they want to work, they want a job, but I think once they're here, it gives them an opportunity to think about their future.
I think these events are really useful for young people to come and meet people who are doing things that they haven't really thought about. By meeting these people, they get to see a whole new set of careers that they may not have thought of before.